While taking an inventory of my snack food for a backpacking trip, I realized my selection of dry edibles was limited. This led me to consider dehydrating my munchies to save money and add variety. At first, I thought about buying a commercial dehydrator, but after giving it some thought, I decided to build one myself. Bacteria and mold thrive in moist environments, causing food to spoil quickly. Removing moisture from organic matter is one of the oldest methods of preserving food. If done correctly, dehydrated food can remain edible for months or even years. One of the oldest methods to slow down food spoilage is to cut the food in small strips and lay them out in the hot sun for an extended period. In the right environment, sunlight will naturally dehydrate organic matter. However, a dehydrator or hotbox creates an enclosed environment, increasing the temperature and speeds up the drying process. Instructions on building a dehydrator or hotbox. First, make or find a box with an opening or lid. The box can be made of wood, cardboard, or other material. Any size of box will work. It all depends on how much food you want to dehydrate. I made my dehydrator out of an 18 by 10 inch cardboard box. I picked a cardboard box because it is easy to work with and surprisingly durable as long as it remains dry. After finding or making a container that will work for you, paint it black to absorb heat. Next, assemble your tools to make the hotbox functional. In my case, I needed a knife, scissors, duct tape, a small fan, aluminum foil, and a tray to lay in the box to hold the drying food. If desired, a light bulb can be added to accelerate the drying process. However, the dehydrator will function solely on solar heat. It may take longer without an additional heating source, but in the end, the results will be the same. After painting the box black, the next step is to cut a hole in the box to fit the fan for airflow. A small fan can work. Many solar power fans are available. Using a solar fan will eliminate the need for electricity. The fan circulates the heat, pushing dry air towards the food. The warm air evaporates moisture out of the food. Lining the box with aluminum foil will help retain heat and increase the temperature inside the dehydrator. The box should maintain a temperature between 95 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit to get the best results. If the drying box is not warm enough, a small light bulb can be added to increase its temperature. The next step is to place a drying rack inside the box to hold the food. Your homemade dehydrator is ready for use. Here is how to use your hot box or dehydrator. Cut the food you want to dry into small strips and place them on a rack. Close the lid and seal the box. Then place the box in the hot sun and wait for your food to dry. A word of caution, drying food can take several hours, so buying commercial dry food might be a better option if you're in a hurry. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Until next time, bye.